Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies, Gemini. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy, so if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr, so you can contact her. So let's start the reading. I'll be sharing her link in the description, guys. So we will see what are these cards for your general energies today. So we have 3 of Wands in reverse, 9 of Pentacles and 10 of Cups. So in your circumstances today, Gemini, you are really happy the way things are going. Maybe you are happy about the work related success you are experiencing today. Some offers, opportunities, good opportunities are coming to you. And you are happy the way things are in this relationship. So with this person you love, you are really happy, content, emotional satisfaction, contentment is there. And the way things are going, you have mutual trust, understanding, love, you care for each other, and you feel really happy in this relationship. Maybe because you would have faced something in the past, maybe in this connection there are a lot of ups and downs in life. So nothing is permanent, Gemini. So you would have faced some troubles in the past, maybe with this person, and today you have a better understanding because you have worked out the problems you both had. So you both have found a way, a common way of understanding and ending the troubles and disappointments, whatever you faced in this relationship. And that is the reason you are really confident and happy. And that is the reason this person you love is planning to start a family with you, because they have a better understanding of you and they know what you want or what you will be expecting and what is their expectations. So you both have a beautiful understanding in this relationship. That is why this connection is moving towards a committed relationship. Maybe you're thinking of marriage or commitment, engagement maybe. So you're planning to start a family with this person you love. So for your relationship, we have one card and it is Wheel of Fortune in reverse. So with this card, it just means that everything that you wished for, everything, Gemini, all that dreams you have, all that plans, future plans you have, everything, it may be in your work or in your relationship, is coming true today. And things are, your circumstances are aligning in such a way, in such a beautiful way, that everything you have wished for is simply aligning and everything is manifesting. So this is a very positive time, very good time for you to make some important moves, Gemini. So if you are planning something in this relationship, maybe marriage, commitment, you can go for it. That is what I see. Happiness is unfolding in unbelievable ways. So for your career, We have one card. We will see what it is. It's Four of Pentacles. So in your work circumstances, again, maybe you are holding on to your views or ideals, maybe ideas about something, maybe quite stubborn about something, the way you do your work or what you will do. But overall, I see that your stubbornness is going to lead you to success. The way you work, the way you are confident about your choices, it's going to take you towards success today, Gemini. So that is what I see with these cards. That is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds. Open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's see what is the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, we have fairies, words. So words are the most powerful things, guys. We all know that. So with this card, the energy is that maybe you should watch your thoughts within your head and change them and to speak the words of beauty. So this does not mean that you have to flatter someone or give into falsehoods. It is the energy here is to find the beauty within yourself, find the beauty in the people and the world around you, in every situation, and speak with this beauty and from this beauty within you. To do this, you must change the ugliness or the distortions you have in your mind, the ugly thoughts, whatever it is, that poisonous from within. So we must give up all those toxic thoughts we have. So there is work to be done at a deeper level in your mind. So when you have worked your mind, your consciousness, the words that fall from your lips, it will be like jewels falling from the lips of this princess here. So it is that external evidence of your inner beauty. So you need to work at the deeper level first. Give up all the toxic thoughts you have and find that beauty within yourself. That beauty is going to come out in the words you speak. So you need to do that work, and you have that beauty in you to offer this world. So just like rain falls from the clouds, something beautiful will come out of you if you have that inner beauty. And also, good deeds are always rewarded. So no matter what you do, maybe it may be something small or something big, whatever it is, when you do something good, it comes back to you definitely. And there is someone in your circumstance who needs your help, and you are a very kind and compassionate person. You are thinking of helping this person, maybe for some of you. And imitating someone is not the way for success. Being like someone else is not going to take you anywhere. All you need to do is change yourself from deep within, give up all the negativity you have, and embrace your beauty within yourself. That is going to change you, that is going to change your circumstance and the world around you. So that is the energy here with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading So I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is the second card. Sorry guys. Poised. So with this card, it just means that you are confident about yourself today, confident about your skills and talents, confident about the way you are today. You are ready, you have come to this place, you are wise, knowledgeable, and you have a feeling that something new or some new phase of your life is beginning, and people respond to your confidence and they trust you, and this may also be the auspicious time for you to begin something new. So in your relationship also, if you're confident and happy in your own skin, you are ready for a deeper and more intimate relationship, and there is nothing to prove right now. You are completely yourself and you can handle anything. Love, friendship, or all those new connections that are coming right now towards you. You are ready to receive love and give love from your heart. And this is a very beautiful place to be. So you have that balance and that harmonious outlook on life, confidence that is going to help you to face any circumstance today in this relationship, to be that person you want to be. You are at the best right now. That is what this card is about, and there is something new coming in your life today. So that is the energy with this card. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. I hope you like this reading. If you like this reading and it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow. Bye guys.